Hello and welcome to Sound of Sport TV. We're live 24/7, 7 days a week bringing you the latest sports news, highlights, and sporty music, tracks, and videos. Our team of human and AI anchors are here to keep you updated on all the action, from football to basketball, and everything in between. Enjoy the show.
Here's the full overview of all Gameweek 13 matches, including results and key highlights from the weekend's action.
Friday, November 29. Brighton 1-1, Southampton. A late equaliser from Brighton rescued a point in a match where both teams struggled to find their rhythm. World. Yo. Saturday, November 30. Brentford 4-1 Leicester City. The Bees stung Leicester with a dominant display, with Bryan and Bumo stealing the show. Crystal Palace 1-1 Newcastle United. A tightly contested affair saw both teams share the spoils, though Newcastle will feel they missed chances to grab all 3 points. Nottingham Forest 1-0 Ipswich Town. Forest edged out newly promoted Ipswich in a hard-fought victory, thanks to a solitary goal. Wolves 2-4 Bournemouth. A thrilling goal fest as Bournemouth outclassed Wolves, with Dominic Solanke bagging a brace. West Ham 2-5 Arsenal. Arsenal delivered a masterclass in attack at the London Stadium, with Martin Odegaard and Bukayo Saka contributing to the rout. Sunday, December 1, Chelsea 3-0 Aston Villa. Chelsea's resurgence continued with a clinical performance to secure all 3 points at home. Manchester United 4-0 Everton. United delivered their best performance of the season, brushing aside Everton with goals from Bruno Fernandes and Marcus Rashford. Tottenham 1-1 Fulham. Spurs were held at home as Fulham's grit denied them a much-needed win. Liverpool 2-0 Manchester City. In the weekend's blockbuster match, Liverpool took down Manchester City with clinical finishing and a sturdy defensive effort. Title race intensifies. Liverpool's victory over Manchester City gives them an edge in a fiercely competitive title race. Arsenal also showed their class with a dominant win. Chelsea's revival. With back-to-back wins, Chelsea looks to be gaining momentum at a critical juncture. Relegation battle heats up. Bournemouth's win over Wolves could prove vital, while Forest continues to grind out results to stay clear of the drop zone. Let me know if you'd like specific stats or player performances analysed.
Thanks for tuning in to the Sound of Sport TV, where we bring you the latest sports news and the hottest beats to keep your energy high. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling updates. Until next time, stay tuned and stay sporty.